Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite art teacher, Art Reply, and in this video here I'll be making the CSEC visual arts journal from scratch. Alright, so I'm sure you saw the video that I posted earlier on. So this is it, this is the starting. So if you're going to do CSEC visual arts, this is the time to come along with me and let us do the CSEC visual arts journal. I am going to do it just like how you guys are supposed to do it. Alright, so journey with me here today.
Arts Workfly.
Alright, so I have all my materials here, and if I need anything here, I have my art supplies on this side, on that side, and even down by that side I have some more art supplies. But what I'm going to focus on right now is this right here. A person who didn't see how I made this cover. And by the way guys, I have my fan on, so you're going to hear a sound in the background, and now and then you're going to hear my children if they're not sleeping. Okay, so right now what I have is a CSEC visual arts. I made the cover and I also made some pages. Now for persons who did not see when I made that, go ahead and check it out. I will link the video down below. So I show them how to make this cover here. But since I decided to make the journal from scratch for myself, I want to personalize it. I want to do something that I really love to do. So I'm not really a fan of this orange color. It's cute and neat and everything, and it's well laid down, as you can see, but I don't like orange. I'm going to change the cover of this in this video here and try to install the pages. I have some more colors here, some brighter colors. Wish I had some more, but I'm just going to use what I have for today. 10 to 11 should be good for those who are starting off. Colored cartridge paper, or you can have one color. Let's say your favorite color is blue, black, whatever. It could be one color if you so desire, but I choose to do different colors, mainly because I already have these pages here, and it's just a sample. All right, I can beautify, I can paint it, I can do so much things to the pages if I so need to. All right, so the first thing I'm going to focus on is to change the orange color here. Now I could always paint this cover here, but I don't feel to. I feel like I want to wrap it again. So my favorite color right now because I have a lot of colors, my favorite color right now is turquoise, but obviously I don't have any turquoise color here. So I'm going to use the next best thing, or the next color that I like here, and I think I like this purple one here. So I'm going to use the purple one to re-wrap it, alright, or wrap it over. Alright, so this is a very nice color. I really like this color, it's so beautiful. So I'm going to use this color here instead of the orange. So this is going to be my personalized journal that I can probably even show to the grade 11 students, or the grade 9 students, or the art students who are going to do visual arts, CSEC visual arts. So it's going to be my personal thing. Okay, so I decided to do this on my own. I will tell you the theme soon. Alright, you will hear the theme soon. Alright, so I have that. I'm ensuring that it's creasing. So this bend right here, I'm ensuring that the cartridge paper is folding in this crease. So when I glue it down or tape it down, it's not going to be too much of a bother. Alright. so for now I'm going to use this paper tape. I don't have enough. I thought I had enough paper tape, but obviously I don't, so I would have to buy one soon. So I'm just gonna use the paper tape to hold it for me first, because I don't want to glue everything and then I realize at the end that the cartridge paper is not fitting properly on the cover. So I just use the tape to hold it down for the time being. Alright, so now I'm going to do the back section of it. Alright, so now I'm going to cut in these creases here. I don't know if you guys are seeing. So I'm going to cut right here. So I'm not sure if you're seeing. So where this crease is, I'm just going to make a cut right here on the purple cartridge paper. Alright, I'm also going to do it where this crease is, follow the line down and make the cut. So I'm working on the bottom now. Alright, so I'm going to leave that part for last. So now I'm going to fold this section here, fold here, and then I'm going to fold at the top. Get the tape, hold this down for the time being, and this is the top part. Same cut. Ensure that it's done properly. Ensure that there's no fold, so I'm cutting along the line like that. So I'm holding it like this to ensure that there's no budge, there's no space right here. That went like this, then I made a cut. I'm gonna do the same thing here where the crease is. But before I do that, let me fold this part. So this is how it's looking so far. Alright, so now I'm going to do this side. Make sure that the crease matches up. Then I'm going to cut this side. I'm going to fold. So I fold it in. So now I'm going to work on this side now. Just going to fold here like that. So this line should be parallel to that line. So meets up like that, straight line ahead, then fold again like that, then tape, paper tape, masking tape, whatever you want to call it, and then the same thing for the top, down, then tape. Alright, so this is how it's looking now. As you can see, guys, it is going fine so far. Everything is okay. There's no budge, there's no nothing. As you can see, I'm showing you when it's taped down, everything is fine. So somehow in the gluing process, something went wrong and it started to budge. So it's opening fine, there's nothing, right? So this sometimes happens to students. Alright, so now we have that down. So I'm not going to cut it out. So now we're going to glue. I'm just going to leave it and show you how you can fix it if you do somehow make the same mistake. It's going to take a while, so I probably continue tomorrow or work on the pages. Now, if you want to see how to wrap it a bit better, you can go to the video that I did when I wrap this same cover using the orange cartridge paper, so you can see how I did that. Alright, so usually I don't put glue inside because it sometimes seeps through the cartridge paper. But I'm going to put just right at the edge, just right at the edge here, a little bit. You don't have to do this. I'm going to do it just to see the effect. It still see through the cartridge paper. Rewatching this video now to edit, I believe that this is where I went wrong, where I put the glue at the edge. Do not put the glue at the edge right there, please. Thank you. Alright, so now I did that. Is there, so I'm going to put it down like that. Alright, to secure it, I'm going to use a bulldog clip. Just hold it down for me. So this is what I call the bulldog clip. I don't know the specific name for it, so you can comment down below and tell me the name. Alright, so now I'm going to do this side, remove the tape. Alright, so I did that. I'm gonna put some inside here also. And you have to use the cone on. You can't use the stick glue. The stick glue not going to hold for long, so you have to use the cone. So this is it now. So now we're going to press that down, ensure that the crease is lined up. Here. Shadows dance and highlights from the deepest soul we bring. A vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit
journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing from the deepest soul we bring. A vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with heart up to the sky.
Now you can use any material that you want to wrap the journal. It could be cloth, it could be canvas, which is still cloth. It can be your painting, whatever you want you can use. Alright, but what I have right now is Parchis paper. I'm not sure, I would like cloth. I will stick with the paper for now because you can always manipulate paper. Alright, you can always manipulate. You can stick a cloth over if you do change your mind. So just work with the paper at first, and then you can over time change it if you like. Alright, so we're gonna do this side now. So this is how it's looking so far. I get a bit of tear here. I got a bit of tear here, but nevertheless we can work around it just the same. Alright,
Brushstrokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your wings, let's reach the sky. Sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Fly with
should be on the inside,
the sky.
but I'm gonna put a different Parchis paper on this side, so I forgot I'm not doing that today. It's not going to be enough time, so I'm gonna leave that.
Together we are artwork fly. Hands that guide and hearts that feel. Through the struggle, through the zeal. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing from the deepest soul we bring. A vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with heart up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly.
The less glue the better, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna take off this part. Some more glue here.
Through the struggle, through the zeal. Every painting tells a story.
Round a little at the edges.
Shadows dance and highlights sing from the deepest soul we bring. A vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with heart up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Fly with heart up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Brushstrokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your wings, let's reach the sky. Sketches turn to masterpieces.
This is a paper clip that I'm using to hold the book.
Gives your art the
I'm
shape.
gonna do this part now.
Fly with heart up Shadows dance and highlights sing. From the deepest soul we bring a vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with art up to
Alright,
the
so never mind the tear here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this down, alright, to loosen it up a bit. Alright, so I'm going to use my stencil knife to cut it. No. You can always ensure that this right here doesn't happen by always checking it, okay? Or if it does happen, guys, just cut it. Just cut it. It's not a big problem.
every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing. From the deepest soul we bring a vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can strive. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are art will fly. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are art will fly. Brushstrokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your wings, let's reach the sky. Sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are art will fly. Hands that guide and hearts that feel. Through the struggle, through the zeal. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing. From the deepest soul we bring a vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are art will fly. Hands that guide and hearts that feel.
Alright, so right here you can always decorate it. It's no problem at all. You can always decorate that section here, put another strip of paper, but the whole fact of the matter is that it should be able to open easily and freely, okay? So I have to allow this to dry a bit more before I can work on it a bit more, but in the meantime I'm going to work on the pages inside. So I'm going to work on the pages inside now.
Together we are art will fly.
Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure first. So I basically fold it in half, fold the party paper in half. By the way, this journal cover is 30 by 40. It can be 11 by 8 and upwards, or 8 by 11. There, can be this size or upwards. Okay, so
sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands, the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Fly without up to the sky. With each creation,
so I'm measuring it along the cover. So this is the actual size of the pages. Alright guys, so I am going to cut the rest of the pages. You guys know how to do the pages already. I will link the video down below. Alright, so I'm going to cut the rest of the pages, and then when I'm ready to glue, I will do another video on that, because I'm going to run out of storage right now. So I would have to gluing the pages on a different video, okay, and probably cut the pages on a different video. But stay tuned, okay guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.